will show you how to create an animation like this in After Effects. First, punta tayo sa unang layer, enter P for position, create frame, enter S for scale, create frame, at gawin natin 40% ang starting scale. In the timeline, move tayo ng konti, gawin natin 543 at sa scale naman ay set natin ng 85%. Then back to timeline again, move a little bit at gawin natin negative 500 din sa position at sa scale naman ay gawin natin 40% again. Then highlight natin mga keyframes, left click, go to keyframe assistant, set to ECS. With the highlighted keyframes, hit Alt and drag to extend the time without moving the first keyframes. Now we will copy the keyframes and paste it to other layers if you wanna save time. And finally, para magkaroon tayo ng successional movement ng one user interface to another, we will adjust the position of each keyframes in the timeline.